This is our 1959 Jaguar Costin Lister. We've repaired the car for Silverstone Classic and for Goodwood Revival. It's part of the Sussex Trophy. It raced yesterday and came fourth and qualified fourth, so we're very happy with the result. It also got fastest lap, which the customer is very happy about and says the car is performing perfectly how he wants it to perform. So this is a Jaguar 6-cylinder engine. It's a 3.8 producing over 300 horsepower. There's double suspension wishbone at the front and a live beam axle at the rear. It runs 600L 16 tyres at the front and 650L 15 tyres at the rear. It is on triple carbs and solid discs, so not like a modern car which are vented. So the car's already previously run at Silverstone Classic where it got a podium finish, which is brilliant for the customer. He was very happy. We've tested the car 2 or 3 times to make sure we dial in all our settings and how the car performs and runs. I particularly like this Jaguar Costin Lister. The body shape is a nice low drag, which is brilliant for aerodynamics, and for the design of the car and the year of the car is quite advanced in terms of aero. So we've done a lot of work to the car. We've gone right through it. It's a fresh engine built by us here at Woodham Mortimer in our specialist engine shop. We've done a revised suspension setup. We've done a gearbox rebuild and a diff refurb as well. The driver particularly likes the way this car handles. It's a very sort of rear end steering car, which is quite controllable in a nice sort of manner. The amount of power the car has also helps with that. And he's very, very happy with the car and the way it handles.
This is a Costin Lister, and Costin was the designer on aerodynamica. And you can also see over there's another Lister that's not knobbly, but it's like bubbles, and I like the shape of the car. So when I saw it the first time, I didn't have the money, and now it was okay. It's a works car, so it couldn't be better, and it did Le Mans. So a works is the best and Le Mans is the best, so I think that is the best. And normally what a lot of people did is change the chassis to another chassis that it's more safe and also good for the value that they have an extra chassis. So I went to the restorer, I said, listen, shall we build a copy? He said, people does that. I said, no, I'm not that people. So we keep everything original, that's nice. Yeah, it was 5 years ago, and I was directly in love with it. Although, and that's special, it looks like that car with the yellow stripe. This is the sister car. So this is BHL3 and that's BHL2. So both of the cars entered on Le Mans, and yeah, so I changed the colors a little bit. The yellow stripe I didn't like, so, but that's it. And I was always in the midfield. So I went to Woodham and Mortimer to completely redo the engine, the gearbox, everything. And now I'm fourth, and yesterday I only did 3 laps. So the axle broke. So I think I can be third, maybe. So we will see. We will see in the race.